are going to perform experiment number 5 of analog integrated circuit, that is implementation of second order low pass filter. So this is the circuit diagram for second order low pass filter. First we will see what is low pass filter. What is low pass filter? So filter is a circuit used for frequency selection, or you can simply say that it is a frequency band selector. It is a frequency band selector. So low pass filter is the low frequency selector. Low pass filter is the low frequency selector. So depending upon the RC network, we are having different orders of filter. If I will use only one RC network in my circuit, then my circuit becomes first order low pass filter. Note that if I use only one RC pair in my circuit, then my circuit becomes first order low pass filter. If I use two RC network, this one is the first network and this one is the second network, then your circuit becomes second order low pass filter. The order of filter is depend on memory element. Order of filter is depend on memory element. So we already studied that there are different types of memory element like inductor and capacitor. Here in low pass filter, we generally use capacitor for implementation of filter. So that I am having two capacitors in my network, that's why I am calling this circuit as a second order low pass filter. So my RC network configuration is connected in non-inverting input terminal of the operational amplifier. So this RC network gives you minus 20 dB per decade gain. This RC network again gives you minus 20 dB per decade gain. Ultimately this two RC pair will give you minus 40 dB per decade gain after cutoff frequency. After cutoff frequency. So this is simple circuit diagram of low pass filter. Here at pin number 2 of operational amplifier, we are connecting resistance of 1 kilo ohm. Feedback resistance is present between pin number 2 and pin number 6. I have kept the value of feedback resistance as 5.86 kilo ohm. The RC network I am connecting at the pin number 3 of the operational amplifier, and input is connected to one of the RC configuration. Here I am giving input voltage as 0.2 volt and frequency as 1 kilohertz. So and last I am taking output voltage from pin number 6. So this is the frequency response of this second order low pass filter. In this frequency response, I am having frequency on x-axis, gain on y-axis. In filter, we basically have two bands. One is pass band and second one is stop band. In pass band, my low pass filter will give me output, but in stop band, my low pass filter will attenuate the output voltage. So from 0 to FH, FH is the cutoff frequency of my filter. FH is the cutoff frequency of filter, and FH is given by 1 upon 2 pi RC, where R and C is the RC network values. I am keeping R equals to 1K, so FH equals to 1 upon 2 pi 1K into value of capacitance, that is 0.01 microfarad. If you calculate this, you will get the value of FH. So before FH, my band is pass band, and after FH I am getting stop band. So my filter will give output in the pass band, and my filter is going to attenuate the output at stop band. So here my frequency response is going to degrade by minus 40 dB per decade. Why? I have already told you one RC network will give you minus 20 decade, minus 20 dB per decade decrease in output. So if you see the transfer function of first order low pass filter, in that you will get A0 by root 2 when f is equal to fh. At the frequency when fh is equals to f, you will get A0 by root 2. 1 by root 2 means 0.707, we generally call minus 20 dB. So here I am using two RC networks, that's why my circuit becomes A0 by root 2 again. So I will get minus 40 dB per decade. So as your frequency increases, your gain is going to decrease. At one frequency you will get zero gain. You will get zero gain. So this is the frequency response of second order low pass filter. So value of gain at the pass band is AF, and you will get the value of AF by using this formula 1 plus RF by R1. You can easily put the value of RF and you can easily put the value of R1. Ultimately you will get the value of AF. So this is the second order low pass filter circuit diagram with pin diagram implementation. We will see the actual implementation of this second order low pass filter. This is the circuit diagram implementation of second order low pass filter. We have implemented whatever we have seen, we have implemented on breadboard. So on breadboard I have implemented the second order low pass filter. So this is the circuit diagram of second order low pass filter. I have connected pin capacitance C3 to the pin number 3. This is the capacitance to the pin number 3. Then C1 between pin number 6 and R2. So this is the capacitance I have connected between 6 and this is the C1, this is the C3, okay, and I am connecting input to the R2. So this is the input I have connected to the R2, and I am taking output from pin number 6. This is the very simple implementation in breadboard. So I have given input voltage to the circuit to the breadboard, and now I am analyzing the circuit. So if you focus, if you see the output for low frequency, now I have kept frequency equals to 100. I have kept frequency equals to 100. I am getting output. I am getting output. Now I am changing my frequency. I have increases my frequency to 1K. Still I am getting output. Still I am getting output. Now I am increasing the band of frequency. Now still I am getting output, right? But this is the FH. Now we will generally call, now we are in the position to cross the value of FH. Now I am expecting my output voltage should degrade. So as I increase the frequency, my output voltage should decrease. So if you see, as I change the frequency band, my output voltage comes down. My output voltage decreases. Where as I increase again frequency, I will get flat response. So you will get flat response. If you see, this is the output response for the particular high frequency. Again, if I come back in the reverse order, we will get the output. If we again process in the same manner, if you increase the frequency, you will get flat response. That means zero response for particular filter. So this is the implementation of experiment number 5, second order low pass filter. Thank you very much.